In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ElevenLabs API. We'll start from a simple web search and end with a clear path to understanding the documentation so you can confidently explore the features on your own. First, open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type ElevenLabs and look for the official ElevenLabs website in the results. Click through to the site. Once you're on the home page, locate the navigation menu and choose the Developers section. This is where all the technical resources live and where you'll find what you need to integrate the API into your projects. Inside Developers, open the API reference. Think of the API reference as the single source of truth. It lists endpoints, parameters, request and response formats, and usage guidelines. This is essential if you're planning to send requests from your app or scripts. Next, go to the Authentication section. This is the foundation of working with the API. Authentication tells the service who you are and what you're allowed to do. The documentation here explains how to include your credentials securely, often by setting a header on each request. Make sure to read the notes on keeping your credentials private and never commit them to public repositories. You'll also see example requests showing exactly where the authentication header belongs. Use the down arrows in the docs to expand code samples and details. These expanders reveal language-specific examples, environment variable tips, and helpful explanations that aren't visible at first glance. Expanding these sections is a quick way to find a snippet you can adapt without guesswork. From the docs, you'll notice an option to open in Claude. Click that to launch a chat preloaded with the relevant documentation context. This gives you an AI assistant that can answer targeted questions about the page you're viewing. When the new tab opens, hit Submit to confirm and let the assistant ingest the content so you can ask precise follow-up questions, like how to structure a particular request or interpret a response field. Finally, take time to read and learn how to use the API. Skim through related sections such as text-to-speech endpoints, streaming options, rate limits, and error handling. As you read, note the base URL, required headers, and any versioning details. Bookmark the reference for quick access, and consider saving code samples that match your stack. With the authentication basics understood and the API reference at hand, you'll be well prepared to make your first authenticated call and build something great